Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a Sheglam haul. I'm very excited, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is my first makeup order of the year. I think I spent about $300-ish, but anyway, very excited, so let's just get straight into it. So the first thing I got was this Hello Kitty Surfs Up primer. So let's open her up and have a look. Also, I will be doing reviews on all of this stuff, so keep an eye out for that. I'm very excited. I love Sheglam. I think it's such a good brand. Oh, it is so cute. Look at it. So cute. So this is how she looks. Very cute, very sweet. And then yeah, on the inside it's so cool. And you can see it a bit better. So yeah, love her. She's so cutesy. So that's the first thing that I got. So it says that this one is a hydrating formula. This primer instantly diffuses the appearance of dullness without feeling it greasy or oily. So that's good. The next thing I got was the Bulb Booster Lip Plumper. This one's in Blush Drizzle. I'm really loving plumping lip products at the moment. So I think I got a couple of these. So this is how the packaging looks. I hope this is all focusing. I have a feeling it's not. So, oh, okay. So it's one of these little things. It looks like you just twist it up. And we've got the little metal applicator. I don't want too much of it to come out. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Okay. Cute. So that's that one there. So yeah, it looks cute. So I did get a couple of those. So yeah, I've got this one in Blush Drizzle. I think I'm going to do I'm going to try some of these out in a full face of Sheglam, but then I'm also going to do what I did last time, and I'm going to film testing out Sheglam lip products as well. I got another one. This one's in the shade Toffee Kiss. I feel like I got 3. Anyway, I got those. The next thing I got was, this is the Crystal Jelly Glaze Stick. This one's in Starlit Silver. And I think these are for your eyes. Little, yes they are, the little eyeshadow sticks. So pretty. Let me give her a little swatch. Oh, wow, they feel really cooling. But yeah, so I feel that's going to be such a cool eyeshadow. So yeah, very excited to try those out. I feel you could probably use it as a highlighter and stuff as well, you know? Because it doesn't actually say on here that you have to use it on your eyes. But yeah, it's it's weird. It's wet to the touch. It's such a gloomy day today, literally. All it makes me want to do is go to bed, but anyway. I'm so excited for this. This is one of the Crystal Glaze Moisturising Lip Cares in Candy Lane. So I've already got 2 of these and I absolutely love them. But I was very interested to see what Candy Lane smells like, so let's have a sniff. I've already got Strawberry Milk and Cocoa Cookie. So now we have Candy Lane. So cute. Okay, let's have a... Oh, okay. Interesting. I don't know. Oh, I don't know how to describe it. It smells really nice. It's honestly quite unique. It doesn't smell like gummy bear or anything like that. Kind of smells like you've walked into the candy shop. It's a little bit hard to explain, but I actually really like it. I feel that's really nice. Okay, I got some of these Bold Booster plumping lip liners, which I'm very excited about. I feel plumping lip liners sound so cool. So I got a few of these. This one is Pink Slip. It's the packaging there. Very pretty. Because yeah, I'm very confused as to how a lip liner can be plumping, you know? Okay, so that's the shade there. Super cute. Yeah, I don't know how it says define, enhance and perfect with this silky smooth lip liner that delivers flawless precision every time. Its creamy formula glides effortlessly for easy application, while the long-lasting non-shifting colour ensures your look stays sharp from coffee to cocktails. Whether you're creating the perfect contour or standalone statement, this lip liner is your secret weapon for lips that command attention. Anyway, so I got that one. I also got Barely There and Cocoa Crush. So I'm very excited to see how they go on the lips and how they're plumping. You know what I mean? I got this. This is the Bubble Bath Lip Scrub in the Bubble Bath shade, I guess, or flavour, or I don't know. I honestly don't even remember buying this, but well, I just get so carried away on there. I'm like, just add everything to the cart, and then I'm like, okay, girl, this is so random. Look at it. That's so weird. So I guess you just, oh my god, okay, whoopsies. Yeah, so you like squeeze it out. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like watermelon. Yum. I actually really like that. It's honestly not super gritty. Yeah, I don't feel like little grits in there at all, to be honest. But it smells really nice. I'm very excited to like try that out on the lips and see how it works. I feel like it's very unique packaging. I like that you like pump it out. Because one thing I don't like about lip scrubs is I've always got to have my finger in there, you know, and like I feel like it can get a little bit messy. So I like that you can like just pump it out. I feel like that's a very cool design. I got this. This is the Full Coverage Foundation Balm. Got mine in the shade Shell. So I love trying out complexion products from Sheglam because I feel like they do a really good job of them. And I love how they all come in this little packaging. It's so cute. Ooh, it looks very fancy. So, okay, she's covered up. That's fine. But yeah, you can see there the shade kind of. There's only 23 grams of product in here. Is that like average? Oh yeah, there's only 30. Hang on. Yeah, there's 30 mils in there, so I feel like it's kind of similar. Don't know. Anyway, so that's that. This feels so luxe as well, like the glass packaging and stuff. Yeah, I'm really excited to try that out. And then I've got this thing. It just tells you about it. Cute, cute. So yeah, very excited to try that out. I'm gonna do I reckon I'll probably do like a full video dedicated to that because that'll be fun. Got another one of the little crystal glazed jelly sticks. This one's in Aura Blitz. Oh, this one's so pretty. This is like a pinky goldy. So stunning. I'm so excited to try these out on the eyes. I feel like they're going to be so pretty. Like, what else did I get? This is the Complexion Boost Concealer. I got mine in the shade Fair. Do I have a Sheglam concealer? I feel like I do. I can't honestly remember. Do I? Yes, I do. But I'm excited to try another one. I honestly don't even remember what I think of the one that I've got. So it'll be fun to try out a different one. Okay. Ooh, very cute packaging. Okay, so it's one of the little spongy things. Very cute. So I'm excited to try that out. I feel like that'll be fun. This is probably, I'm really excited for this. This is the Glow Hero Bronzing Drops. So I feel like this might be, you know, kind of similar to the like Drunk Elephant or the MCO ones I have or whatever. I'm not going to pump them out yet, actually. I'll wait. But what does it say? Suffering from dull skin and lackluster looks? That sounds like a job for Glow Hero. Our Sheglam Glow Hero Bronzing Drops feature an antioxidant formula, including cocoa extract, vitamin E, derivative, and more to hydrate and support your skin while providing a stunning bronze sun-kissed glow. It doesn't say like how you're meant to use it though, like if you should use it all over or under or whatever, but I mean I guess you can figure that out. Oh, this is the Power Perfect Shimmer Lip Plumper. So this one's in Pink Flamingos. This one's a shimmery formula. See, I love doing a Sheglam haul because I forget what I even buy, so then by the time that it comes I'm like, oh, so that's how this one looks. This is kind of like, you know, the Tarte, like, you know, the kind of clicky things that everyone's doing at the moment. Okay, that's cute. There it is there. Super pretty. Oh, it smells really nice too, actually. Honestly, smells pretty similar to the Colourpop one. That's weird. Okay. Got something from Sheglam Hair. This is the 24 Glow High Shine Styling Serum. It also says it heat protects as well. So I'm excited to try this out. I have like the Hot Streak Hair Oil or something like that, but I haven't used it yet. So I am excited to try these. I'd really love to try the styling tools, but I don't actually think I can get them down here. So they're not on Shein. So it says before and after styling, apply 1 pump to palm, spread evenly and apply to mid-lengths and ends of hair, gently massage until absorbed. For wet hair, gently dry hair with towel after shampooing. Do not rub vigorously to prevent damage to hair. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to palm, spread evenly and apply to mid-lengths and ends of hair, gently massage until absorbed. And it says that it's for a glossy and silky look, heat protection up to 230 degrees, smooth frizz and soften hair, and it's a lightweight texture. So it sounds really nice, actually. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at it. That looks so cool. I'm really excited to try that out. I'll have to let you know how I go with that. I wonder if it smells nice. I feel like it does. Interesting. Very excited to try her out. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from Sheglam here. I'm very interested. I got a Take a Hint lip tint in Mocha Loca. Actually, I got two of these, I think. Did I? I got one in Mocha Loca and one in Birthday Lips. Honestly, like, Sheglam could, like, stuff up my order and I wouldn't even know because I don't even know what I've ordered. So, like, they could literally put anything in here and I'd be like, oh yeah, I remember buying that. I have no idea what the hell I bought. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at that. I love the packaging of this. That's really sweet. It's a twist, not a pull. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so this one is Mocha Loca. Or is it Mocha Loca? I don't know, but whatever. So that's it there. That's actually a very pretty shade. And it's like a lip tint, so I'm guessing, like, obviously you put it on and then you rub it off. And then the other one is Birthday Lips. Cute. This one looks like a very pretty, like, nude. Yep, that's really nice. So that's that one there, the more, like, nude of the two. Very cute. Okay, we're down to our last couple of products. Okay, I got the Sunburst Glow Mixer. I feel like this is meant to be, like, the Charlotte Tilbury kind of thing, maybe. Sunburst Glow Mixer. Calling all glow enthusiasts. Our Sheglam Sunburst Glow Mixer is wearable sunshine in a bottle. Achieve magical glow forward looks by wearing it alone, mixed with, underneath, or on top of your favourite Sheglam foundation. Yes, I'm so excited. So I'm going to try this out as well, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, I feel like this is, you know, your Charlotte Tilbury kind of product. I'm very excited for this. I feel like that's going to be really, really nice. And then the last thing I got was the Love at First Sight Moisturising Primer. No, Love Dive at First Sight. Anyway, it's a moisturising primer. So cute. Look at the packaging. That's so pretty. I love it. It's really nice. So it just looks like that. I don't want to show you because I feel like it'll go everywhere. But yeah, I'm very excited for that. I feel like that'll be really nice. So that was everything I got. I did also get 2 collections, but I'm going to film separate unboxing videos on those because they deserve their own video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you want to see me try out first, but I will see you in the next video. Bye!